Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change language on AliExpress. Here's how you can change the language on AliExpress. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser and go to the AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. If you're not logged in, go ahead and click on the account icon at the top right corner of your screen to log in. Once you're logged in, go ahead and scroll down or just move your cursor to the top right corner of your screen. And you're going to find an option that has the language as well as the currency. Go ahead and click on the drop-down menu that is there. In the first communication box, it says ship to, and then you have the location in there, which is apparently Ireland. Then you have the language here. Now click on the drop down menu and scroll all the way down to know the options available in AliExpress. So here you have English, you have the second one, you have Portuguese, you have Espanol, and you have Portuguese. Now use the search bar, which is currently here, to go ahead and search for any language to see if it is available in AliExpress. As you can see, this is really not available in AliExpress. The only languages that are available are languages presented to us via the drop-down menu, which is English, and then the second one, I don't really know how to pronounce that, but then I know the third is Portuguese, and then we have Espanol, and we have Portuguese. Now go ahead and choose from any of these options in the drop-down menu, and after you do that, you can go ahead and hit the save button. Now, depending on the language, you can go ahead and change the currency to a currency that suits the language. That's if you're using a different currency, a currency that is different from what is presented here as default, which is euros. Now, once you're done, it is important for you to hit the save button. And after hitting the save button, you see that your AliExpress account, particularly the homepage, will be refreshed. And once it's done refreshing, all the write-ups will be displayed in the new language that you set it to. And that's just pretty much it. That's how you can change language on AliExpress. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.